back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, y'all, to be honest, I don't even know what this video finna be about. Like, I'm just gonna do something because I know that basically it's giving like spending a day with me after school or something like that. But I know I'm supposed to be doing something today. It's like 4:57. We got out of school at 3:15. But I ride the bus home, so like I be getting home around like 3:40 or something like that. I know today with my sister, I'm supposed to be hanging out with my sister. Basically, we just want to go to Walmart. We're supposed to be cooking, and I'm gonna try to convince her for us to make some fried Oreos because I want some. We're supposed to be making some burgers, and then I'm finna go get my nose pierced. I took my nose piercing out because the irritation bump, like it kept growing, and like it get small and get big. Like I kept putting tea tree oil on it. It kept getting big and small, so I just got tired of it. So I just took it out. So I was gonna get both sides pierced, but this side is not healed yet. I'm going to go get this side pierced. I don't even know how I'm gonna look on this side. I got this thing because I put some mascara on earlier. It's making my eyes really itchy. So this is some oh my gosh, this is the wrong thing. This is serum for my eyelashes to grow. I was supposed to go get the remover. Making a video on my camera for the first time. So happy. Like I know I was supposed to be doing a YouTube video, but I didn't know what video. So I'm like, I kept telling myself I need to make a video on my new camera so I can see how the quality look when I post it. And I'm finally making a YouTube video. Hopefully I know what the title is. I got it because I'm finna remove this. Cause like I had put some mascara on today at school and it been itching my eyes all day. I don't know why. It's itchy right now. Put some of this on. Like y'all, I had some lashes on yesterday. I took them off because for one, they was ugly. I did not like them. This is my first time using the remover, and it softens it up. Like you gotta let it sit for a little bit and then soften it up, and then you just pull them out, and it's so easy to come out. Cause y'all know if y'all wear lashes, y'all have like the little bunny seal glue. Cause I be wearing clusters. I do clusters on myself, and it be hard for the glue to come out. Like it be so hard coming out. Okay. Me and my sister, we supposed to be leaving around, she wanted to leave around 5:30. It came out a little bit, why is it blurry? It came out a little bit, like, y'all look at my eyes, like. This can make me look ugly. I'm gonna get some tissue. Oh my gosh, thank God, because my eyes were so itchy. Just gonna get my nose pierced. I'm just cooking, so basically y'all just hanging out with me. It's time for me to get my hair done. Like, look at my edges, y'all. It's been a long day at school. I feel like it do be the school air because like why do I look ugly at school? But I was just at home looking cute. But as soon as I get to school, I don't look ugly. Like I don't know, but I think it's all off. Oh, I have no lashes. The glue be taking it out. I hate it. I just put some of the serum stuff on my eyelashes. That's what I really got it for because my lashes, they so little, and plus my lashes, like, they curl back. So yeah, what time is it? Y'all, I'm about ready to go. It's 5:13. Y'all, I'm just so happy because I'm recording on my camera, and y'all know I just record on my phone. Well, this is my new phone. I got a new phone. I got the 16. I was recording on my iPhone 13, and now that I'm finally recording on my camera, I feel like my face is breaking out now. Like, if y'all can see all these little small bumps and stuff, but my face was clear. Like, I don't know what happened. I be drinking a lot of water, so that's why my face never broke out like really bad, because I still drink a lot of water. I'm gonna wash my face. I'm just gonna wash it with hot water right now because I'm gonna wash it later with my turmeric soap and all that other stuff. Get ready and go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yep. I want to clean.
I'm gonna get my shoes. Oh, I might wear my boots. I don't know. It's hot in here, but I know it's a little chilly outside. My face feel dry. I'm gonna put a little oil on. See, I'm in the car. We on the way to the place where I'm gonna get my nose piercing. here. We just sitting here. Y'all look at my hair. It's like freezing stuff. 6:44. I need to change the time so that y'all can tell what time it is.
Set up right here. Oh God, I need the same setup. Alright. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all tune in, you know what I'm saying? Timmy Shat Tattoos. We got $10 piercings every single day. You hear me? $10 piercings. Make sure y'all repost that deal and y'all pop up on it. That's all you need to do.
Okay, I'm gonna put your ad in the video.
Yes, sir. So we get the job done quick in a hurry. You hear me? Quick in a hurry. Speed and light. Where you posting it on?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Are you doing YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, that's hard.
Thank you.
How many subscribers you got?
Like 394, I think.
Okay. You got some goddamn subscribers. Shows. 300 is good. It might not seem like that much, but 300 is good. Yeah. It'd be hard, you know what I'm saying, to get subscribers and shit. Bro. Little teardropper. I need this setup. What you pay for your setup at?
I got this for Christmas. Yeah.
I need that same setup. That's hard. Here you go.
Thank you.
You wanna make sure you clean it with sea salt, warm water.
Nose piercing, it's so small compared to my nose. I'm gonna go back and get the other side once this side heals. But I like it. Wait, get the light on. It's cute. Oh, y'all can y'all. It's like 7. I don't know if y'all can see. It's 7. On the way to Walmart so we can go get the stuff for the burgers, and I convinced her that we're gonna be making fried Oreos. So I'm gonna talk to you when I get to Walmart. We finally made it to Walmart. Y'all, I think my camera finna die. Y'all, I think my camera finna die, so I bought my phone just in case. But yes, y'all, we did make it to Walmart. Okay, so y'all, I'm recording on my phone now. Taking the shredded lettuce. Watch out. Y'all, I can't wait to go home and eat these burgers. Like, I am so hungry. I barely ate. I ain't even eat real food all day. I think I ate like some Cheez-Its and some chips. That's really it. Okay. Then you put that one. How much is that one?
They probably be cheaper than that. Yeah, she's they get one.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we got a whole pack of burgers. We got the long pack of burgers.
That's
So
what I'm
it's gonna be
saying.
enough.
I mean, I don't eat tomatoes. Can I just look big?
No, it's gonna be a no deep.
I mean, just if you want to get a small pack, just go ahead and get one. Y'all got me a naked. Y'all, this one is so good. Like, I can literally drink this all day. People be scared to record in public, not me. Like, they can stare all they want. I'm going to stare back. But did you say you want the ones with the C's on it? Y'all like my new nose piercing? The one I had was bigger than this one. I guess he got new jewelry or something. I'm gonna pass the freaking hamburger buns. I tell you, I'm gonna go home and smack down on these burgers, y'all. I am so hungry. Like, y'all do not understand. They don't even like they have them. They do have them. These, you want these? I'm gonna grab the ones from the back. Yeah, the cookies are down here. Excuse me. It's a small pack. Here they go. Oh. Well, where the small ones at? Cause them double stuff. I don't want them. Oh yeah, we do need to get some fries and cheese. Can we get some paper plates? Cause I don't feel like washing no dishes. So yeah, we gotta get the powdered sugar, of course. Okay, y'all, we found the pancake mix. We get, I don't know why they changed the name. We should never did that. This one? Okay, I forgot from the back. So yeah, I finally got back home. Right now I'm recording on my phone because I'm letting my camera battery charge for a little bit. I'm gonna start cooking the burgers and then I'm gonna start frying the fried Oreos, yeah. Yeah, this is how the burgers look right now. She's still mixing up sauce. gonna go ahead and start frying the Oreos because the burgers and fries they are already in the oven. I ain't even gotta get no big bowl for it just to make the pancake mix. I'm gonna get this size bowl. It's right here. I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh. I'm spilling this everywhere. I'm only doing 1 row and a half because it's only me, my sister, and brother. That should be good. If not, I'll just add some more. But I'm gonna turn the grease down a little bit. I got it on high, so I don't want it to be too water, but I'm adding some more if it needs some more water. Yep, you do. Okay, so I made the pancake mix. I'm gonna start frying them because I think the grease is ready. Y'all over here. My camera is charged. I still am cooking the fried Oreos. I'm just waiting on the grease to get a little bit hot. I was recording on my phone, but I don't need it no more. Let me change the time so that y'all can understand it. I understand it. No, I don't. Just got it like that because it make it more cuter. It's 9:02. The grease ready. Let me see. Okay, it's ready. So this is how they look so far. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to. Cause where did she put the cheese at? I'm sorry. Yeah, I know we got these good legs. Go put them in the microwave. I just showed y'all the fried Oreos, and yes, that's paper because we were out of napkins. I'm finna bust down because I'm so hungry. I did finish the fried Oreos. They in the microwave. I'm finna eat them. They're my food. Y'all, I guess I'm not doing nothing else for tonight. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And next time y'all see me, my hair gonna be done and I will not be looking a mess. Like, yeah.